Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina. Here we show you easy to do makeup tutorials and celebrity looks.
Moisturize and massage face. Apply a lightweight foundation and blend. Conceal under eye area and blemishes if any. Mattify face with a setting powder. Fill in brows with a pencil. Apply mascara. Bronze it up. Highlight cheekbones with gold toned shimmer. Apply highlighter to the bridge of your nose, brow bones and Cupid's bow. Line lips. Fill in with lip color. Finish with a layer of gloss.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.